Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some candy corn peanut blondies. I'm going to use several of our products today. I have our old-fashioned peanut butter, and we have our cookie crumbs and our white chocolate spread, of course the famous vanilla extract, and our almond flour. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add some melted butter to our cookies and cream cookie crumbs. And we'll put this in the pan so that we can bake it for the crust. These cookie crumbs are really good. You can use them in a lot of applications. They're good on ice cream as a crust, which I'm doing now. All right, a little bit easier to mix it in a larger bowl. Just press the butter in so it's thoroughly combined. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to put them into this pan. It's just a small crust, but it gives a really nice crunch to the blondies. So I'm just going to spread them lightly, and then I will bake this at 350. 10 minutes should do it. I just want it to set. These cookie crumbs are available in bulk quantities. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'll give this a quick bake in the oven, and I'll be back. All right, so we have all of our ingredients here. The first thing I'm going to do is just to mix the dry ingredients into a bowl, and we'll set that aside. We don't have to sift anything. We have our beautiful almond flour coming in here. Now, if you want to switch out the nuts and the flours in this recipe, of course you can do that, and you could change any of our flours with any of the nuts that you decide to use. We have hazelnut flour, and we have pecan flour, pistachio flour, so you could put whatever kind you like. We're doing almond flour today, mixing it with our peanuts, so I'm just going to give this a quick whisk. So now I'm just going to mix the brown sugar and the butter and melt that together. This is just some browned butter, and we have a link that you can find to our brown butter recipe. So I'm just melting the brown sugar and the brown butter together until it's smooth. Okay, so this is melted. I'm going to add the white chocolate spread. Put that in there and let that melt a little bit before we stir it. Got some vanilla. Okay, so I'm going to add the peanut butter now. Our old-fashioned peanut butter is really wonderful, very flavorful, all natural. So we'll mix this in till it's smooth. Okay, and now I'm going to add the eggs, but because it's hot, I'm just going to temper them in slowly. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's add this back into the mix. All right, now that this is thoroughly combined, we can just add it to our dry ingredients. These blondies are a great snack, very flavorful, kind of a fun thing to make for Halloween. We also have a link to homemade candy corn, so you can look that up. I've made that before. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the peanuts, some peanut butter chips, and some white chocolate chips. And that's it. Once we get this mixed in, I will spread it into our pan and bake it. And then this is going to bake in a 350 oven for 20 minutes. I'll just spread this out. All right, I think that's even. We're going to put this in the oven, let it bake for 20 minutes, and I'll be back. All right, so this has been baking for 20 minutes. It's still warm. I'm just going to spread some of the cookie crumbs on there for the graveyard effect. Give it a little bit of dirt. And then I'm going to add some of the candy corn. So we'll push that in. I'm kind of doing this at odd angles like graveyard, you know. And I'm sure the kids would love to help you do this. So get them involved. It's kind of fun. All right, this is going back into the oven for just 5 more minutes. I want this to melt a little bit. Sprinkle some more of the crumbs on. I'm gonna bake it another 5 minutes and I'll be back. All right, so here's our finished product. I'm going to lift it out of the pan so that it makes it a lot easier to cut. I have lined this pan with parchment because it's easier to lift out when you want to cut your bars. All right, so I'm just going to cut these and put them on a plate so we can all enjoy them here. Those little candy corns have melted a little bit. As I say, these are a great little snack. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course our giveaways. You can reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Amoretti. See you next time.